Hey, it's Shelly with Shelly Charlotte Hair, and I've been wearing my hair in a top knot lately, and so I wanted to do a quick tutorial about how to do that because I get asked often in the salon, how do you put that together? So anyway, it's pretty easy, so we're gonna go ahead and do that this morning. You're gonna need a few things. You'll need a hair tie. You'll need a couple of bobby pins, and I like to use this, it's a screw kind of like in place of a bobby pin. These are awesome, and I'll show you how to use that. You'll also need some texturizing powder. Puff Me is one of my favorite products, as you all know, and a backcombing brush, and maybe a little bit of hairspray. So I'll show you how to do that. So we're gonna start off first with pulling all of your hair up into a very high ponytail. You can use a brush a little bit, but you don't want it to be too organized because you want that kind of messy, I mean, this is the lazy girl hairstyle, so you gotta kind of keep it in with that. So once you get it in a full, like, get it all pulled up and put your hair tie in. And if it's not perfect, that's really makes it look better, I think. But so once you get it all in, and even doing that will give you some like volume around the front. So this is kind of sticking out a little weird on the side, right there. Okay, so once you have it up in a top knot, even if you have like some pieces that hang down, like here, we'll get those at the end once your hair is already up and out of the way. So first off, take your hair up like this. And mine already has some texturizing powder in it because I'm on day 2 of this. Anyway, give that quite a bit. Like, you don't want to be super conservative with this when you're doing the top knot. So then take your backcombing brush and give it a good backcomb at the base, mainly at the base of it. But you want to come to the front too and give that just like, get in there and just do it. So once you've got that all nice and backcombed, you're gonna take your big mass of hair and then just whip that around into a little top knot. So you have that kind of like, well, take it and then you roll this around. And then I like to take the screw one that looks like that. You grab some of the hair on the top and on the bottom, incorporate the tip and scooch that in down into there. So what's nice about having your hair with the texturizing powder in it is it makes it like really kind of stay in place even when it's not in place. So the back, we have to go back and do that. So you can't hear me when I turn around, so I'm just going to show you how to do this. You twist the bottom and then you grab some of the hair from one side, incorporate the end of the hair that you're trying to pin up and push it back the other way. Watch how I do that. Ta-da! And then you have your little top knot. Now you can still pull pieces out of this if you want to. Sometimes, like, if this is not gonna stay where you want, just grab another one of your bobby pins and do the same thing. Grab some of the hair from the top and then go down below, so that way it doesn't look all completely coiffed. And that's how you do it. Ta-da! Top knot. Let me know if you try to do this. If you need any help or show off the pictures that you do yourself. Have a great weekend. Thanks, guys.